this video, I am going to show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Firestick easily and quickly. First, turn on your Firestick and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to Settings in the top menu, then select My Fire TV. Next, click on Developer Options and ensure that Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. This will allow you to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Now, return to the home screen and use the search function to find the Downloader app. Install the Downloader app, then open it. In the Downloader app, enter the URL for the IPTV Smarters Pro APK file, which you can find on the official website or trusted sources. Click Go to download the APK. Once the download is complete, the installation prompt will appear. Click Install to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Firestick. After the installation is complete, you can open the app and enter your IPTV provider's credentials, such as the username, password, and server URL. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup and start enjoying your IPTV content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.